Here are some nutritious recipes for your sahur, iftar and post-iftar meals so that you have the power and energy to do your daily tasks. So let's get started. Sahur. Eating substantial nutritious food during sahur is essential for making it through the day of fasting. Family-style overnight oats. Makes around 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients are 3 cups large flake oats, half cup chia seeds, half cup ground flaxseed, 4 cups of milk, and toppings have fruits and nuts of your choice. Directions. In a large bowl, mix oats, chia seeds and ground flaxseed. Add milk and cover, place in the refrigerator overnight. When ready to serve, top with fruits and nuts of your choice. Stuffed egg paratha. Who doesn't love anda paratha, especially when you are true desi at heart? This recipe is a perfect combination of fiber and protein. The ingredients are whole wheat 1 cup, water according to the requirement to make a dough, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt as per taste, half teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, red chili powder or as per taste, onion and coriander chopped. Method. Mix and knead flour, salt and water well until it becomes smooth dough to make a paratha and keep it aside to set. In a bowl, put egg and add salt, pepper, fine chopped onions, coriander and chili powder. Now whisk the batter well and keep it aside to be used later. Take the flour you knead and make 2 balls out of it. Now make them flat like a roti. You have now 2 flat roti and a mixture of egg. Preheat the pan, spread 1 tablespoon of oil on it and place 1 flat roti on the pan. Let it cook a little from one side, then turn the cooked side and pour the egg mixture in the middle of the roti as it will start to spread all around. Now immediately place the other roti on the top and make it stick with the egg mixture. Put the flame on low heat and turn the paratha upside down while adding a little more oil so the egg which is inside cook well. When the paratha is golden brown from both the sides, it is ready to serve. Iftar. Coming together after a long day of fasting to eat with your loved one isn't only physically nourishing. It's emotionally fulfilling as well. To combat that post-iftar inertia, I like to have at least fruits, salads, etc. in the iftar. Samosa Tarts. Makes 24 Samosa Tarts. Ingredients. 5 pylo sheets, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 cup frozen green peas, half lemon juiced, 2 medium-sized russet potatoes boiled and diced. Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees centigrade. Grease a mini cupcake pan and set aside. Lay a pylo sheet on the large piece of parchment paper. Brush on the coconut oil and place another pylo sheet on the top. Repeat layers for all 5 pylo sheets, but do not brush oil on the top sheet. Cut into squares and push into the mini cupcake pan. Bake pylo sheets for 5 to 7 minutes until browned and crispy. In a large saucepan, heat oil on medium flame and add cumin seeds and onions. Cook for 2 minutes until onions have softened and cumin seeds are slightly brown. Add ginger garlic paste, spices and frozen green peas. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until peas are fully cooked through. Add diced potatoes and lemon juice. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, taste for seasoning and adjust if needed. Shortly before serving, spoon potato mixture into tarts. Black bean salad with pickled mango. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients. 2 cups parsley chopped, 2 tomatoes diced, 1 zucchini peeled into ribbons, 2 carrots peeled into ribbons, 2 cups black bean cooked, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half cup pickled mango. Ingredients. 3 large mangoes peeled and chopped into cubes, 1/4 cup parsley, chopped 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Directions. In a large bowl, mix together chopped mango, parsley, vinegar, salt and red chili powder. Mix until well combined. Taste for seasoning and adjust if needed. Store in airtight container and refrigerate at least 1 hour before serving. Prepare pickled mango and set aside in a jar. Do not add to salad yet. Cut and prepare all the veggies. In a large bowl, mix veggies and black beans. Add salt and pepper and mix well. Just before serving, top with pickled mango. Post-iftar snack. After iftar, late at night, some people have cravings for food, and a lot of people overeat at this time. For me, energy bites are an easy and nutritious option, and I love that I can meal prep a big batch at once. Coconut date balls. Makes 25 balls. Ingredients: 2 cups dates pitted, half cup quick oats, half cup almonds, half cup unsweetened shredded coconut. Directions: in a food processor, chop dates until coarsely chopped. Add oats and almonds to chop until mixture comes together and you no longer see separate date pieces. Using damp hands, roll mixture into 1-inch balls and roll in shredded coconut. Store in a refrigerator for up to 1 week. Chicken and green sauce sandwich. Ingredients: bread slices 3 to 4, boneless chicken 250 grams, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons as required. List 2. Marination: Worcestershire sauce 3 tablespoons, white vinegar 2 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon, chili sauce 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon. For green sauce, list 3. Fresh green coriander 1 medium bunch, garlic cloves 1 small, green chilies 3 to 4, onions 1 small, whole cumin 1 teaspoon, salt ½ teaspoon, sesame seed 1 to ½ teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoons, water 1/8 cup, lemon juice 4 tablespoons. Marinate chicken for 15 minutes with all the list 2 ingredients. Add all above list 3 ingredients in a chopper and chop them fine. Green sauce is ready and set it aside. Heat a grilling pan, brush with oil, toast bread slices on it, set them aside. Now cut chicken in desired sizes and brush grilling pan with oil. Keep chicken slices on it. Cook chicken both sides until completely tender. Layer green sauce on bread slices. I hope you liked this video. Do add all these recipes in your Ramzan plans, and yes, do not forget to comment, like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished. Ramzan Mubarak.